Scene: Alex and Morgan are sitting in a coffee shop, sipping their drinks.
Hey Morgan, have you ever thought about the idea of AI replacing humans in the tech industry?
Oh, you mean the whole debate about whether machines can outperform humans in tech? I'm not entirely convinced. I believe there are certain things AI can't replicate.
Interesting. What do you think AI can't replicate that humans can?
Well, creativity, for one. I don't think a machine can truly innovate in the way humans can. The ability to think outside the box, come up with novel ideas, that's something uniquely human.
That's a valid point, but have you seen the recent advancements in AI-generated art and music? Some of it is pretty impressive.
True, but is it really creativity or just a sophisticated mimicry of patterns it learned from humans? There's something inherently human about creativity that I believe AI might struggle to grasp.
Fair enough. What about emotional intelligence? AI can process data, but can it truly understand and respond to human emotions?
Exactly. Empathy, compassion, understanding emotions, these are qualities that make us human. AI, no matter how advanced, lacks that human touch.
But think about customer service chatbots. They're getting pretty good at understanding and responding to human emotions.
Sure, but there's a difference between programmed responses based on data and genuine empathy. Human connection goes beyond algorithms.
You have a point. But, Morgan, what about efficiency? AI can process vast amounts of data much faster than humans, leading to increased productivity and innovation.
True, efficiency is a strong suit for AI. Yet, I worry about job displacement. If machines take over too many tasks, what happens to the human workforce?
Good point. It's crucial to find a balance where AI enhances our capabilities rather than replacing us entirely. Maybe it's about humans and AI working collaboratively.
Collaboration sounds promising, as long as we maintain control and ensure ethical considerations. We can't let technology overshadow our values.
Agreed. The future of tech should be a partnership between AI and humans, each complementing the strengths of the other.
They continue their conversation, delving deeper into the nuances of the AI and human relationship in the tech industry.
Welcome to a conversation that doubles as a vocabulary workshop, delving into the dynamics between humans and artificial intelligence. As we explore, pay close attention to the new words and phrases. They're not just terms, they're tools to recap, understand, and enhance your tech vocabulary. Let's dive in. 1. Outperform. Repeat after me, outperform. It means to exceed or surpass in performance. 2. Sophisticated mimicry. Sophisticated mimicry. This refers to advanced imitation, especially in the context of AI replicating human patterns. 3. AI might struggle to grasp. AI might struggle to grasp. This phrase suggests that artificial intelligence may find it challenging to understand or comprehend certain aspects. 4. Empathy. Repeat after me, empathy. It's the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. 5. Algorithms. Algorithms. These are step-by-step procedures or formulas for solving problems. 6. Human workforce. Repeat, human workforce. It refers to the collective labor and skills of people employed in various industries. 7. Working collaboratively. Working collaboratively. This means cooperating and working together towards a common goal. 8. Overshadow our values. Repeat after me, overshadow our values. This phrase suggests a concern that certain developments may cast a shadow over our fundamental beliefs. Fantastic! You've just expanded your tech vocabulary. Stay tuned for more conversations where we decode the language of innovation. Hit subscribe for more real conversation in tech.